The Archaeological Survey of India has declared Coronation Throne of Norbugang as a heritage monument and has undertaken the required preservation and restoration measures. The Coronation Throne of Norbugang is situated in the Gizing subdivision of West Sikkim district in the Indian state of Sikkim. It signifies the place where crowning of the first Jogyal king Phunshuk Namgyal took place in the year 1642. Later, after the ceremony, a wall-like structure was erected and named as Norbugang Chorten, which still marks the original site. The site is adorned with various intricate belongings of the king, including the seats of the three lamas and the king, a shrine consisting of a huge prayer wheel, a mystic pine tree looming over the Chorten, and the serene Kathog Lake from where water for coronation was taken. It is believed that the people who had attended the ceremony offered huge amount of treasures that are still buried beneath the Norbugang Chorten. This was done by Lama Latsan Champo, who created the time capsule by burying all the gifts to mark the occasion. After the crowning ceremony was performed by the lamas, according to the procedures prescribed in the scriptures, the lamas decided to build the Trashi Wadbar Chorten at Norbugang. For this purpose, they collected earth and stones from all parts of Sikkim. They then built the Chorten. With the materials collected and also buried within it all the gifts that Latsun Champo had received from the people. The benediction and consecration ceremonies performed by the lamas at the Norbugang Chorten lasted for 21 days. One can also witness the footprints of one of the three lamas embedded in a rock opposite King's throne. The coronation took place under the pine tree, which is still present today. Just opposite to the throne is the Norbugang Chorten Stupa, which is said to contain water and soil from all parts of Sikkim. The beautiful garden around this historical site is a rare collection of lot of indigenous trees and plants. The visitors stay here for a while on this quaint piece of land and stroll in silence. The fluttering flags are a sign of divines of the place, protecting the town from evil and promoting good among the people. The place is considered to hold the reins of the town's heritage and culture. Hence, is ideal for all age groups to visit and make unforgettable memory with family, friends, and other loved ones.